Do a wheelie. You got it. Hey, buddy. Yo guys, what's going on? Thanks for checking out the video. We're introing in the same spot. We got Miles. 2 days in a row, we riding together. Yo, yo.
The brakes suck.
The brakes are bad? Yeah, dude. I hate bleeding brakes. Alright, we're going to go down the Schuylkill River Trail and go to another little trail somewhere. Yo, you ever hit this hill climb?
Tried it once.
Alright, try right now. 72 volt. You got it. It's good. Just go up at an angle, kinda. You'll be fine. You hurt? Looks like someone's living up here. Oh, did you not make it all the way up? Alright, this was maybe not the best idea. Yeah, getting down is kind of the sketchy part. So slick. You got it. I'm about to just ride down this. Then it's funny because it doesn't look that steep on camera, but that shit is steep. Whew. Yeah, guys, so we're gonna come down the Schuylkill River Trail here, just tear it up a little bit, and then go to another sort of walking, running trail, something along those lines. I went to once before, and there's like a little skate park there, so I don't know. We'll check it all out. Sit down, brake one-hander, throttle one-hander, knee knock. Actually, no, we weren't supposed to go up here. Woo! Kept that up. This guy stopped for me. Actually, he just stopped to blow his nose. I suck at right-hand turns. Do a wheelie. They're losing their minds. Well, I guess you forced us to take the stairs. Dude, at that point, I don't even think that's cool. I feel like that's just kind of stupid. Woo! Please don't seem to be concerned. Here we go. Woo! Alright, should we send some of this? Woo! It's all just if you jump that, you land a flat. Still go down it. Woo! Like, there's nowhere to land. Yay! Oh, I guess I could go up on this and come down that. Alright, let's hope this isn't a stupid idea. Woo! Well, that was anticlimactic. It's literally so slippery. Dude, let's hit this. Ready? Okay, well, that skate park really doesn't give us much to do. Well, especially because I'm just not really good at that type of riding. This is like desolate. Woo! How we doing? Good, he said. I was expecting a little more trail here. Yo, is this where they keep all the trolleys? Ah, look at all the trolleys. He did not like that. Down through the tunnel. Oh, and I guess we got trains here. Trains and trolleys and all that fun stuff. You a big train guy? Guy yelled out, said it's private property. Come on, let's just get in his photos though. And we're out. You know, I didn't see a single private property sign. Woo! There we go. It's a nice, like, super brand new road, I feel like. They must do it for all the trolleys and buses that come through here. They don't want a crappy road. What do we got here? A little bridge? Oh, this is all it is. Here we go. Perfect. Alright, back towards like the art museum, I guess. Woo-hoo. Tight in here. Yes, sir. These are getting tight. Can we do it? Needless to say, there's a lot going on around here. I think this is like Penn or something. Oh, there's this bridge. I ain't never been back here. So Miles and I made the decision that we're gonna get on the highway, just cause, you know, we're trying to make our commute more effective. All right. I don't know if anyone's ever seen a Razor on the highway. Well, here we go. Let's just hope it doesn't get too quick. Yeah. This is about to be sketchy.
Hold up, is all this legal?
Hey, buddy. Hey, guys. I think we're gonna get off right here. See, guys, you can in fact take your Razor mini bike on the highway. No problemo. And keep up with traffic, not an issue. all while in a wheelie. Oh, it's so windy. All right. Woo! Oh no! Oh yeah. Yeah. I guess we could do for a chain tightening. All right, well, crisis averted there. Should we try a hand drag now? Why not? Oh. All right, no more wheelies. All right, guys. Well, the chain just fell off again. It is like mega loose, so we gotta just pull the wheel back. That's the beauty of this extended swing arm. We'll just pull the wheel back, but if I go side to side, the chain like is falling off. So we're gonna baby it home, get this all fixed up. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video as always. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will catch you next time though. Peace.
Yeah, I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Okay. Hey.